to show you how to play It's Now or Never, as sung by Elvis Presley. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody. We're in the key of E, and E has four sharps. So you've got F sharp, G sharp, you've got C sharp and a D sharp in there, and those will show up consistently. Now, the melody starts with a chorus, and it starts on an E. E, E, D sharp, B, B, D sharp, C sharp, A, D sharp, C sharp, A, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, B, C, C, A, E, C, B, G sharp, F sharp, E, B, B, G sharp, F sharp, E, E. And then the verse comes in this way. B, A, G sharp, F sharp, E, E, F sharp, G sharp, E, D sharp, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, D sharp, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, C sharp, B. Then he does it again. B, A, G sharp, F sharp, E, E sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, E, D sharp, C sharp. Now these are triplets. A, G sharp, F sharp, E, B. Triplets again. G sharp, F sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, E, and then we're back into the chorus. Okay. Then, before we go to the bass part, let's go to the introduction. Now, the introduction in the right hand, you're going to have you got an optional tremolo here. So you're going to go G sharp, F sharp, E straight, and then B, B, G sharp, F sharp, E, E. And in the left hand, you're just going to be on a B chord, B, D sharp, F sharp. B chord is white, black, black. The reason for that is there's no black note here or there, so to get that major third, minor third, you go white, black, black, B, D sharp, F sharp. So it'll go like this. And you can do that with these fingers, any fingers you want. And then try to get them even. Get a little uneven, and do the best you can with it. If you practice it slowly, it helps, but it'll sound like this. And when you hit this E, then the bass starts in. We got E, E, B, B, E, with the second D sharp, you hit a B right there. So we have this by itself. E, E, B, B, E, B. Now we go to an F sharp minor chord, F sharp minor sound, F sharp, A, C sharp. So I'm going to play all those notes in the bass. F sharp, A, C sharp, F sharp. Now if it feels better, you can keep that going, but I throw that A in there in the middle to give that. You got an A up here, so it doesn't matter. Now this time you hit that C sharp with that D sharp, and then go to a B in the left hand. So you're going to go E, E, B, B, E, B, F sharp, A, C sharp, F sharp, C sharp, B, B, F sharp, B, F sharp, back to E. Okay, and then we'll put it together again. go E, B, then hit the B in the right hand, B, C, C. Now we change that to an A minor sound. So we drop the C sharp down to a C right there and make it into an A minor sound. And you can hold that C back if you want. Back to the E. And then this B goes with the F sharp. F sharps together, E's together. And then we're into the verse. B, A. Now here the verse, you start off with it open, you have this. So it's the same thing, and then we go to an A. Now this will be an A chord with the C sharp in there. Now the D sharp becomes a passing tone to C sharp. So in the left hand we're going to have, during the verse, we're going to have an E, B, E, B, A, E, B, F sharp, B, F sharp, E, will be just very similar to the chorus with the A, E, B, A, E, B, F sharp, and put them together, and we've got. Here's the triplets. So you'll have the one triplet against this high E, A, G sharp, and F sharp, B. And then the other triplet will be against the B. Now the tricky thing is E, E, B. You got to get that E, E, B in there between them. So I'll slow it down so that you can see it. Back into the chorus. The second verse starts off just like the first verse with the difference is that there are different words, and then the last chorus you're gonna repeat the ending just a little bit. So the last chorus starts the same way. That last phrase. Then he repeats that last phrase one more time, only this time very slowly. sharp, F sharp, and then D sharp, F sharp, A to make it a 7th chord. And then you pick the tempo back up right after that. Then he repeats that last phrase again, only this time he's going to turn it up to that high G sharp, F sharp, E. Shows you his range right there. So he's going up to that G sharp and he has power there. So we go E slowly still on that tag. And then pick up the tempo. And then after this last play an E chord, and all I'm going to play in the left hand is E and B, and then G sharp, B, E, and a little cha-cha-cha ending there. So, together. There you have it. It's Now or Never, Elvis Presley. Now in the letter notes, I also have those keyboard riffs. And with an A, and with a B, so they've got some different keyboard riffs, and I have those in the letter notes. It's Now or Never, Elvis Presley. I hope you enjoy it.